Refrigeration HVAC exam practice questions, set number 6. Number 1. An HVAC economizer senses the outside air temperature, humidity, and enthalpy and uses internal dampers to control the amount of air to achieve free cooling. A. True. B. False. Correct answer is A. True. Number 2. What are the advantages of an HVAC economizer? A. Lower energy consumption, lower energy cost. B. Reduced wear and tear and prolonged life of HVAC equipment. C. Improved indoor air quality and increased ventilation. D. Reduced maintenance. Or E. All of the above. Correct answer is E. All of the above. Number 3. Which is not a type of HVAC economizer? A. Dry bulb economizer. B. Wet bulb or single enthalpy economizer. C. Dew point economizer. Or D. Dual or differential enthalpy economizer. Correct answer is C. Dew point economizer. Number 4. A dual enthalpy economizer has sensors to measure return air temperature and enthalpy, as well as the outside air temperature and enthalpy. When both the temperature and the enthalpy of the outside air is blank, the return air, then the outside air meets the requirements of free cooling. A equal to, B lower than, C higher than, or D none of the above. Correct answer is B, lower than. Number 5. A dry bulb economizer senses the outdoor air temperature only and does not sense humidity. It is the cheapest among other types of economizers. A. True. B. False. Correct answer is A. True. Number 6. A wet bulb or single enthalpy economizer senses blank of the outside air and is used by the vast majority of HVAC systems. A. Temperature only. B. Humidity only. C. Both temperature and humidity. Or D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Both temperature and humidity. Number 7. In a desert or arid climate where the air is dry and holds little moisture, which economizer is used? A. Dry bulb economizer. B. Wet bulb economizer. C. Single enthalpy economizer. D. Dual enthalpy economizer. Correct answer is A. Dry bulb economizer. Number 8. When putting a holding charge with R407C refrigerant, you must charge blank until positive pressure is reached. A. Nitrogen. B. Liquid. C. Vapor. Or D. Argon. Correct answer is B. Liquid. Number 9. R407C is a mixture of azeotropic blend of R32, R125, and R134A. A. True. B, false? Correct answer is B, false. It is false because R407C is a refrigerant that is called zeotropic. So R47C is zeotropic. Zeotropic or non-azeotropic blends have temperature glide. The components of the refrigerant do not have a common boiling point. And zeotropic blend is any 400 series refrigerant such as R407C, R410A, R404, etc. The components of zeotropic refrigerants have different boiling points, and these components will evaporate and condense at different temperatures as well. Number 10. At constant pressure, the difference between the saturated vapor temperature and the saturated liquid temperature of the refrigerant is called blank. A, superheat, B, subcooling, C, temperature glide, or D, temperature split. Correct answer is C, temperature glide. During a temperature glide, the mass of the refrigerant changes and is different between a liquid and vapor phases. Number 11. Which of the following is an azeotropic refrigerant? A, R410A, B, R134A, C, R717, D, R507. Correct answer is D, R507. Explanation. Refrigerant blends with no temperature glide are called azeotropic blends. Any of the 500 series refrigerants is an azeotropic blend. Examples are R500, R502, and R507. Number 12. Which is the most precise way to align the shafts of a direct drive ammonia R717 compressor? A, ruler or straight edge, B, dial indicator, C, laser alignment, or D, dial gauge. Correct answer is C, laser alignment. Note that dial indicator was the most common way of aligning shafts, but then laser is now the technology that can align the shafts the most precise way. But prior to the invention of the laser, it was the dial indicator that was most commonly used in the trade. Number 13, last question. Freeze stats are installed on the blank side of the heating coil. A, upstream, B, downstream, C, return, or D, exhaust. Correct answer is B, downstream. The purpose of a freeze stat is to prevent the air coil from freezing. It is typically used for heating coils exposed to the outside air. Freeze stats are located on the supply air side of the coil, which is downstream right there. Okay, so this is it for this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Cheers and have a good one.